Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save a pin to a new folder. And what I mean by saving to a new folder, I simply mean that once you find a pin that you may be exploring or whatever, then you can create a folder just before you save that pin. And what I mean by this is that while exploring or find a pin that you like, if you don't have a board to save it in, you can create a new board while saving that pin. So let me show you how that works. So let's say I am on the explore section here on Pinterest and I am into, let's choose randomly food and drink, right? And if I'm into food and I find something that I like, that could be whatever. I will choose, for example, delicious foods or you whatever you will see, right? Just choose something random. So let's say I like this chicken right here. I can go ahead and I can click on save. And from here, this is about food. I don't have anything that is called food. I want to create my own board. So here it shows create board. I can click the board create here and I can call this one yummy foods, for example, yummy food. And from here, I can choose to make it private or I can leave it for whatever. If you want to make it secret, you toggle it on, it's going to make it private, or you leave it as is. Again, you can add collaborators, it's really up to you, or you can just go ahead and click on create. I'm going to click on create. Once I go ahead and click on create, the new board is done, and this specific pin is now added to my new or yummy foods board. Now to find that board, click your profile on the upper right hand side. It's going to take you right over here where you have your saved ideas, and this will show you your different boards that you have. And from here, you can see that I have the new yummy food board created with that pin right inside that board. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.